Example of converting fixed point to decimal. In this case, we have our expansion form that we're going to go through, and we look for what the biggest exponent is going to be by counting the left-hand side first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bits. So that means 2 to the power of 5 is the biggest. So we start by writing out our coefficients times the positional factor. And then when we get to the fractal part, it's now to the negative exponent. So 0 times 2 to the minus 1. So now I'm going to incorporate our 0 multiplications and 1 multiplications to simplify things down. And then we need to figure out our substitutions. We've done a lot on the whole number part, but the negative exponents is a little trickier. But we can look at our trend. So minus 1 is going to be 0.5. 2 to the minus 2 is equal to 0.25. And that's because of the idea that it's the same thing as 2 to the second in the denominator, which is equal to 1 over 4. But the trend ultimately is we just keep dividing. So 2 to the minus 3 is 0.125. 2 to the minus 4 is equal to 0.0625. And 2 to the minus 5 is equal to 0.03125. So then we can add this all up. So we've got 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 plus, and then I'm going to do this part vertically to make the math easier to execute. So we have 0.25 plus 2 to the minus 3, which is 0.125. And 2 to the minus 5, which is plus 0.03125. So I'm going to add this up. Making sure I show my carries. And then 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 is going to give us 45. And you can see by doing it this method, there is no need whatsoever for a calculator. And even if you think you're going to use a calculator in the exam, I do expect to see all work and your carries and everything shown. So please keep that in mind.